Hello, Jewelry Divas. I just wanted to give you a quick project. This is a simple pair of earrings, which I call the heart of the matter. So today I'm going to teach you how to create a heart charm out of wire. Okay, so we are using 20 gauge wire today. I have gold. See, I'm changing it from copper, you guys. Does your wire need to be this long? Absolutely not. Guess what? I always cut my wire long because I don't want to keep cutting off the spool. You will need your wire cutters. You will need your round nose pliers, which I like to call the alligator. We'll just have the flat nose on standby, but you will not need the flat nose today. But the three amigos roll together. That's why they're loyal to each other and they're the squad. I'm going to use a round bead for this project. And what I do when I'm teaching you guys, I only make one of the earrings because, I like to do a sample and have you guys do the second one. So you will also need two ear wires. So when I tell you that you need a bead, multiply it by two, okay? Unless you just want to, have a Mr. T style and wear one earring. That's on you. That could be part of your style. So yep, today we're using 20 gauge wire. This is a very simple technique because, and I'm gonna say, because you already know how to make a simple loop. So yeah, we're breaking the neck. But with this one, we're breaking the neck two times. Okay, so let's get started. I want you to warm your wire. Get all your positive energy into the wire. Yay! Okay, so that's good because I kind of warmed it before. I have a lot of positive energy going, so I hope you do too. Okay, so take your round nose and I want you to grab the very end of the wire. Now, remember, if you want consistent loops, you can always mark your pliers with your Sharpie. Or you can do like I do, because, once you start making jewelry for a while, it's like, all right, I'm used to this already. You can kind of eyeball where your loop will start. So yep, I'm doing right here now. Watch in the video, my loop is going to be bigger because I always seem to do that. And that's okay because I like that. I like inconsistencies. But I just teach you how to be consistent. Okay, so we're just gonna grab that wire and you're gonna make your simple loop. Okay, so we're looking like that. Go behind here and break the neck. So you just wait, did I even break the neck? Okay, I didn't want to break it too bad. Okay, so we are here. Now, you see where this bend is right here? We're going to put our pliers there because that's going to be the first um bend in our heart. Bend in our heart, that's cute. Okay, so I want my bend to be kind of medium size. So I'm putting it right about here. Now, it's up to you. But then I'm just going to bend it down towards that loop. Okay? So that's what it looks like. Can you kind of see the heart forming a little bit? Cool. So now you take your wire, right? You have it looking like this. And I'm just going to open that up just a tad. You see how I just opened it up just a tad? Okay. So take your pliers right under that loop. Hold the wire and bend the wire up towards this loop. Okay? So that's where we are. Is everyone with me so far? Awesome. If not, pause, rewind, and get that again. See, that is why it's good to have videos because you can do that. So now I'm going to open it up just a little bit. And right next to this loop, I'm going to place my pliers. Wait, because I need you to see that. Place my pliers like that, right? I'm grabbing the wire because this is going to be the other hump. I'm just going to say hump, you guys. Maybe just because I like to say hump. Okay, moving on. And you're just going to bend the wire till it matches here. Okay. Do you kind of see the heart now? Yeah, that's pretty cool. Okay, so now with this piece touching the hump of the heart, I'm going to cut right there. Okay, so boom, I did that. So this is what your piece should be looking like now. Let me turn it around because it's like upside down on the camera. So that's where we are now, right? Awesome. Open that up just a tad because you need to make another loop like that. You know, I always grab underhandedly so that I can, and I'm going to sing to you. Roll over, and they all rolled over and one fell out. There were two in the bed. Enough singing, right? So I have this and it looks weird until I bend it down a little bit. Boom. Your heart can look just like that. How freaking awesome is that? If you don't want your heart to look like that, which guess what? Honestly, this is organic because I usually don't bend down that far. I usually just keep it right at the top so it gives it a okay, Angela, you are not that strong. You need to go back and see your trainer. I usually just go like that. So it's either way. You can either have it like this, and that's where you're gonna link onto. Let's keep it like that. But I did like the other way too, you guys. But it gives it a different kind of look. Okay, so either way, well, I'll bend it back because now I've fallen in love with this. Yeah, I like that. Winning. So now you're going to take that same piece of wire that you cut off of. Okay, so now you got to remember, like, what the hell did I do? As far as getting it the same shape. Just make a bunch of these, you guys. Practice, okay? And then you can use them for charm bracelets, um, you know, attachments to the earrings, whatever. So let's make that simple loop again. And I did get it in the same spot. I just realized that. Break the neck. Okay. Just like that. Now you're just going to slide your bead, which I have to cut this little bent part off because I don't know. Slide your bead on, if I can find the hole, which I can do this, you guys. Yep. Booyah. There it is. But I'm not going to wrap this. I'm going to just bend this over like this. So you have that angle. I'm going to cut a little bit off. I mean, well, this is a lot of it. But I'm going to leave a little tail. Did you see that pop? And then I'm going to roll this back into a simple loop. So I'm doing my little upside downsy thing. And, you know, roll over, roll over. Okay, so there we have that. I want to open, so we have our bead unit. That's the technical way to say that. I don't like it. But just open one of the loops. Slide your heart. Slide your heart, you guys. Slide your heart on there. Close that loop. Okay. So this is where we are. This is where we are, you guys. How freaking awesome is that? And then guess what? You just open the bottom of your ear wire. And I know that this part opens. Why is this sticking to me? I know that this part opens because I tried it before with the other one. But you can look. Oh, you can kind of look to see where the opening happens. And I know this is pointing towards me. So that's where I'm going to open. And I heard a little click. And I have to hold the little ball too. Just slide this on here like this. Close it. And you have your Matter of the Heart earrings. How cool is that? Yes, 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 and yes. I'm excited about that. That is, I probably should have taught that for Valentine's Day, but yeah, I just did it today. So I'm early for next year, or you can just make this for the people that you love. Yes, 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 yes. I'm cleaning up my mess here. So that is the project for the Heart of the Matter earrings, and yeah, that's the end of this video, really, because I can go on and on, but I'll just tell you again, repeat myself. Oh, you guys, don't shoot videos after a night on the town. Okay, so you can make a bunch of these charms, and you can create a Heart of the Matter bracelet. Or if you take the earring part off, this can be a Heart of the Matter necklace. You guys, the possibilities are endless. Imagine the possibilities. Yay. So, and I hope you enjoy your free, I'm not even going to say mini course, your free course. So clearly you can make these earrings in less than 15 minutes because I'm looking at the clock on the video and it's almost only 12 minutes. So that's a wonderful thing. Have a wonderful day. Thank you for allowing me to teach you, Jewelry Divas. Love you all. And if you decide to make these, please post your photo in the Earrings by Angela J School group on Facebook. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.